This is Bye Bye Money. Guys, I have a serious problem. I have a confession to make. I keep breaking the E-mini. Yep, I did it again. I keep breaking the E-mini with 100% automated trading. 100% automated trading. Yep, I'll say it again. 100% automated trading. If you like this content and you find it helpful, go ahead, and it helps us a lot if you click like and subscribe. But essentially, if you haven't been following, the last 4 weeks I've been running this automated strategy, and I keep breaking the E-mini every week. This automated strategy doesn't use arbitrary indicators, doesn't use moving average crossovers, it doesn't use RSI or vortex and whatever indicators out there that uses lagged information. Every indicator is lagged information. This automated strategy uses pure price action. And it uses it by using an indicator, but the indicator is a price action indicator. If you guys don't know, there is a simple scalping strategy. This is basically a modification of the simple scalping strategy, but it's essentially a two-legged pullback to the 20 EMA. And the two-legged pullback is a price action setup. And so this automated strategy is set apart from the rest because it actually uses price action. The reason that's important is because price action is not lagged information. Indicators uses past 10, 20, 14 bars, whatever your period is, and then it tells you a certain value. That information is lagged because it has to use the previous information. Price action trading uses the current information right now to make your decision on trading. And so this automated strategy uses price action by using the two-legged pullback indicator. And so the strategy basically uses a modification of the two-legged pullback to the 20 EMA, the simplest price action setup for the two-legged pullback. And I've been running for the last 4 weeks, and I've been posting the results every week, and I keep breaking the E-mini. I keep doing it. One of the critiques that I'm getting is that people are saying, how are you breaking the E-mini? You're only making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a week. Well, I don't think those people understand what's happening here. Sure, we're not making tens of thousands of dollars, but we are running an automated strategy that's 100% automated. There's no human intervention. You run this strategy without doing anything else, and you're making money. I think the people who say, oh, you're not breaking the E-mini because you're not making $10,000, I think they're missing the whole point here of the automated strategy. If you can make consistently $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a week running automated strategy, then I think that trumps any automated strategy that could make $10,000 a week and then lose $10,000 the next week. The whole idea of this automated strategy, it just simply takes the best setup possible that you can even automate it. That's what the whole point of the automated strategy is. You wanted to take just 100% best setup you possibly can find. And if you don't know about the indicator, you can find out more information at www.twoleggedpullback.com. And essentially, this is one of the indicators that is on the community board, and you get access to the community if you have the deluxe edition of the two-legged pullback. Anyone who gets the deluxe edition has automatic access to the two-legged pullback community. And we are running on Discord now. And the good thing about Discord, you can have several channels. You can talk about trading. We can also have live voice channels and chats, so we can actually talk and discuss. And a big part about the two-legged pullback community is that we like to discuss, create, and also post automated strategies. And so this is one of the strategies that is on this group. So just imagine you have an entire community dedicated to making automated strategies. You have one strategy that might make $1,000. You might have another strategy that might make $500. You might have another strategy that might make, consistently $2,000 to $3,000 a week. Well, guess what? You can run all the strategies at once created by this community, and I think you can see the obvious benefits from that. And so we're working together as a community to make profitable automated strategies, not get rich fast schemes, but profitable, which is the main focus here. And so for me, I still believe I don't think one man can create a automated strategy that is actually profitable. I don't know if it's possible. But with a community, who knows what could be possible? With a community gathering together, giving each other insights, helping each other create automated strategies, helping people see the blind spots of their automated strategies, helping people test their automated. With a community, who knows? It could be possible. But at Two Legged Pullback, we are definitely curious to find out, and we are trying to. So, if you'd like to join this community, we would love you like to join this community. And if you'd like to join it, go ahead and check out the website again at www.twoleggedpullback.com. I'll put the link in the description, but I'll go ahead and post the replay of the automated strategy running on the most recent week of trading. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. As always, happy trading and God bless.